for question number 46, na? Question number 46. They are saying cot A plus cosec A minus 1 upon cot A minus cosec A plus 1 is equal to how much?
1 plus cos A
1 plus cos A
upon sin A.
upon sin A. Right? You get it like this. So we will take LHS. LHS we will take. So you write it in this format, bring it on this side, and because in addition there is commutative property, so we can write it cosec A plus cot A minus bracket cosec square A minus cot square A upon cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Now you take difference of two squares here, so it becomes cosec A plus cot A minus bracket cosec A minus cot A plus cosec A plus cot A, right? अपॉन ये मैंने ठीक लिखा है, cosec A minus cot A, डिनोमिनेटर में
Yes, sir.
क्या लिख, what is written there?
Cot A minus cosec A plus 1.
ठीक, cot A minus cosec A
Call.
हम्म
Call.
cosec A plus 1. So you take here cosec A plus cot A. You take here cosec A plus cot A as a common, so it becomes 1 minus cosec A minus cot A, right, upon cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Now when you solve it again, it is cosec A. If you remove this bracket sign, this will be minus and this will be plus, right? So this is what? 1 minus cosec A plus cot A, they are cancelled out, right? So you get cosec A plus cot A plus cot A. So you can write 1 upon sin A plus cos A upon sin A. If you take sin A as a common LCM, it becomes 1 plus cos A is equal to RHS. This is the solution we have of this question. Right? Probability of this question is very high. Right? You done?
Yes.
मैंने यहाँ पे एडिट शॉर्टकट यहीं पे मैंने इसको माइनस open the bracket and change the sign. Should I done?
Yes.
What next we have? You want to do this? Question number 45. Sin A plus cos A. Question number 45. Sin A plus cos A upon sin A minus cos A. फिर क्या है प्लस
Sin A minus cos A.
sin A minus cos A upon
Sin A plus cos A.
sin A plus cos A. What is RHS?
2 upon
2 upon
2 sin square A minus 1.
2
Sin square A minus 1.
2 sin square A minus 1. This is okay. So we take here LHS, right? So what we do in here, we take sin A minus cos A bracket sin A plus cos A, right? So sin A cancel out, it becomes sin A plus cos A whole square plus sin A cos A sin A minus cos A whole square, right? They both will be multiplied whole square like this. So now you can write it like this, that is A plus B whole square. So sin square A plus cos square A plus 2 sin A cos A plus here it is. So it is sin square A plus cos square A minus 2 sin A cos A upon difference of 2 square sin square A minus cos square A, right? So this 2 plus 2 sin A cos A minus 2 sin A cos A is cancel out, and this becomes sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1, and this sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 becomes 2. So we can write here 2, right? So 2 upon sin square A minus cos square A means 1 minus sin square A, right? So what you do here, 2 upon sin square A minus 1 plus sin square A. So it comes 2 upon 2 sin square A minus 1 is equal to RHS. You done this? Huh?
Yes.
This much? Okay.